Connecting your Platinum Karaoke system to a Samsung Smart TV using HDMI is simple and ensures high-quality audio and video. Start by turning off both the karaoke system and the TV. Locate the HDMI output port on your Platinum Karaoke device and the HDMI input port on your Samsung TV. Use an HDMI cable to connect the two devices. Plug one end into the karaoke system's HDMI output and the other into the TV's HDMI input. Turn on both devices. Using your TV remote, press the Source or Input button and select the HDMI port where the karaoke system is connected. The karaoke interface should now appear on your TV screen. For sound, ensure the TV's volume is up or connect external speakers if needed. If the audio doesn't sync, adjust the TV's audio settings under Sound. Audio format. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Enjoy your karaoke sessions.